Well, welcome back to Market Day Report. We have some exciting news. The markets are moving. Few days left in the trading year, and don't be disappointed. We have January options expire tomorrow. I think you're going to like the quote board. If you're just joining us, I'll be here with you all day, today and tomorrow. And then Scott will be back on Monday and Tuesday. I think we'll see my friend Tony St. James too. Don't forget to catch the Cow Guide close Monday and Tuesday from 1 to 1:30. And if you miss it, as Scotty says, they play it a few more times. All right, let's get to it. Corn market's doing well. March corn, 453.5, up 5. May corn, 460, up 5.5. Was just talking to a client about the corn market and starting to have choices here, and we like it. Speaking of choices, let's look at soybeans. We're talking about that January contract, 986, up 10 3/4. March, 994, up 13. Will we have $10 beans as we come into the year end? Well, you don't have to wait to the year end. You just need to move to May. May beans, 1004, up 14. Let's look at the wheats. As we go to the Board of Trade, the Chicago Board of Trade wheat, March, 540 3/4, up 6. That's coming back. It was not doing as well as beans and corn, but wheat just looked over and said they want to join the party. Hard red wheat, up 6 3/4, 550.5 there on March hard red wheat. Nice looking board here. Let's go to spring wheat. It was lagging. Let's see if it can catch up. And it is March spring wheat, 595 1/4, up 5 3/4. Looking at cotton, cotton is extremely slow compared to the grain, 68.80, up 2 cents. Let's bring him in. Kevin Stockard from CHS. Kevin, Merry Christmas. Good to see you. Tell us what we're seeing on your end besides that big Chiefs win.
Yeah, obviously, like you said, seeing some nice prices. Nice to see green on the board. We're getting into some levels that guys are interested in, especially looking at over-the-counter contracts where you can get a little extra premium added on there. But the corn rally continues. We're continuing to see good exports there. South America seems like they might be done for a little while, so continue to look for strong demand out of the corn. Wheat, we had a little bit of news about Russian wheat, production estimates down, export estimates down, so a little bit of news there to help support things. And then, the soy complex is probably the most interesting thing. Meal's up, about 3% today. It's on quite a run here, back above 300 in Jan meal, and it seems like it's kind of structure-related rebalancing, end of the year fund covering, that type of stuff. But it's given the soybean market a nice boost here going into January expiration. We got options expiring tomorrow, and then first notice day on the 31st. So that's going to continue to make things interesting in the soy complex. You've got the Jan-March spread out to 8 1/4 carry. It's moved all the way from was it a slight inverse not even a week ago. So a lot of movement there, and then we're going to wait and see what happens with a lot of the policies, and the 45Z is the big one, but there's some other stuff happening as we get into the new year that we'll see how that affects these markets.
Yeah, it's nice to end the year with some optimism here, Kevin, that the fact we have these grains rallying, it is confirmed there will be a government payment. I think farmers should have helped out on Christmas. In the New Year's, should free up some of those decisions to prepay for some items and do a little tax planning, et cetera. Well, Kevin, great to meet you. And again, congrats on that Chiefs win. It's always wonderful when your team's winning. Kevin Stockard, CHS Hedging. Thanks, Kev. All right, stay right there. We're going to take a little commercial break, and we'll be back with Market Day Report in just a bit.